You have nothing but hope and prosperity in mind. And I'm standing in for Vin with my beautiful sister LV, the blonde queen. How are you doing?
Good morning, how are you?
I love being blonde with you.
I know, it's very fun.
It's so much fun.
Blondes have the most fun.
Yes, blondes have the most fun. And that's, you know what, we've entered the final 3 months of the year. How are you feeling, LB?
I am very excited.
Is it?
First and foremost, there's so much to look forward to, right?
All right.
I feel like our current government is pulling their 1 year. They're dropping into their first year after getting elected last October. So it's exciting to kind of look back on what they've achieved over the last year. Our national football team has qualified for the Africa Cup of Nations. So in December, they're out in Morocco, which is really, really exciting. But also, the end of the year is a time of reflection.
Yes.
And not reflection, yang excited.
It
makes me eager to see, okay, so there's a lot of things that you wanted to do. How much did you do? How much did you not do?
Doesn't that make you anxious when you look back at the things of worry?
It doesn't. For me, I think life is very simple.
Okay.
You win some and you lose some. Sometimes you set yourself goals and you achieve them, and then sometimes you don't. I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing to not achieve your goals, because sometimes you achieved things that you hadn't even set for yourself. So it's nice to take stock of your life at the end of the year and be like, oh, look
at me.
I 1 million.
I wish.
You know what I mean?
I really wish, but just those words alone, sometimes you need to hear somebody give you, you know, a different type of perspective. But thank you so much for those words. They do start our day very well.
Of course, and let me take this moment. Thank you so much. The Breakfast Show. It is Motivational Monday. We are bringing the motivation. Metropolitan Life Botswana. Life cover. We've talked about life cover, the importance of life cover. We've talked about issues such as estate planning and the importance of estate planning. And of course, we explained how life cover can not only protect you as an individual and your family, but also your business. And today we keep that conversation going. Metropolitan Life Botswana, the benefits of life cover while you are still alive and kicking. So join us at exactly 6:40. Life cover ya bone e go teng mothusi life cover.
We'll be looking at reclaiming your certain things or roles and responsibilities that we do. You find yourself as a mother and you can't recognize yourself anymore. You find yourself in a job where you can't recognize yourself anymore. So we'll be talking about reclaiming you. You are at the center of it and you have the power. Let's talk to a motivational speaker as they help us navigate those rough roles that we have in lives. And hopefully by the end of today, you'll have a little bit of knowledge on how I can better be myself out in this world. Botswana is also here to let us know what's happening in the world of sports. But of course, we always started off by trying to make our bodies work with our minds and our souls and everything in line, because that's the best way you can get into the world. Today, we are at Burnout Studios. Daniel Moyeng is on standby. But at the same time, letting us know how we can do that in the comfort of our homes. This is how we start the brand new week on the Dumela Botswana Breakfast Show. Dumela Botswana, let's get it going.
Welcome to the Burnout Sessions studio. Guys, fitness and eating healthy is a lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, an active lifestyle. So you better keep fit and stay on a certain schedule. Write your stuff down into a journal, into something where you can see that so and so I'm doing this and I'm following this type of eating plan or training program. With us at the Burnout Session Studio, we're always going to make sure you get the results that you want. You need to make sure you follow us. You need to make sure that you eat the right types of food. You need to make sure that your focus is on top form. I believe you can achieve your goals, and I know for certain that if you follow our stuff as I mentioned and as I instructed, you will get the results that you want to get. So please, guys, get your focus on, get your burnout on, and let's get these results. We're result driven, and I'm sure you want those results, so let's get it. Welcome to the Burnout Session Studio. Myself, Daniel, and I'm with Kumo. So today we're going to do a total body toning workout. Okay, so it's a full body workout. All right, so stay with me. All right, let's just warm up the shoulders. So shrugs, back, and forward. Nice one, shake it off. Okay, and up. Keep one hand there, and back, up, back, back. Nice one, shake it off. Okay, now I want us to go down. We're going to work the back. So hands together, chest out like an ironing board. So this way, okay? All right, so you're going to bring your hand in, then fly out. In and fly out like a bird. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Feel that stretching. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice one. Shake it off. Shake it off. Now, shoulder press. Keep your hands to the side. Are you ready? Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, burnout sessions. 8, 9, 10. Nice one. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. We're going to work the obliques. Okay? So, one hand there. All right, so you're going to crunch. Okay, ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, on your toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Shake it off. Shake it off. Okay. All right. Next one, we're just going to do a deadlift combined with a squat. Let me just show you. So touch, squat, touch, squat. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, deadlift, touch, squat, touch, squat, touch. Nice one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sessions. Your health 8, our #1 priority. 9, 10. Nice one. Shake it off. Shake it off. Let's stretch it off and cool down. Remember to control your breathing at all times. All right, the other side. Nice one. Shake it off. Shake it off. Well done. That's it from us today. Thank you, Kumo, for the amazing work. See you again next time.
That's what I said. Because I go to Mahele Mohota Metamiko, Kibria Karabo, Miske was saying, Moho Biki, Eno, Mohota Metamiko, Mo Musupulon, Ono, Haran Hatel and Horror, Retadio Kumela, Retabra Jalo, Reco, Hotala Botswana Tennis Association, Reco Kumela Jalo, Metamiko, Bonne, to Let's Pili, Ele Botswana Junior Championship, or Bata Maile Jan, Reco Kumela Table, Tennessee, Calabone, Phoenix Assurance League in it, Let's Pili, me, but Tabu Riba, Nevali Motor Pocologa, Gamata Busiro, Yakanak Baile Hotabra Jalo. Run gaps by a night. Rego come la metshameko ya First Division North and South. Mertabore jalo letsa CAF Champions League. The Calian Black Label people are happy. Retabore jalo letsa English Premier League under 20 La Liga Serie A Bundesliga. Kidingwa tsa tseleng gore retado komela jalo mo mosong wa tsatsi la gompieko. A re tsemolela jalo go go ba le khota la Botswana Tennis Association ba leng gore ba ba tshware jalo the Botswana Junior Championships. Go re boneng jalo Tinashe Phatswane nna ene mofenyi wa the Botswana Junior Championships hardly bile jalo ka kwa the under 14 category. Okay, tsela gore Tinashe o khonne gore a tse jalo gold gone ka ko mme o ne a salwa morago jalo ke Francis Brink o tswang jalo ka kwa lehatshe la France. Ha le bala jalo ka go bo men's le under 14 gore go tsamaile ka tselentsenyang re bone jalo Angel Chakanyuka nna ene mofenyi a salwa morago jalo kana ane a fenya jalo Camilla Setswe mme re bone jalo Rene Sebego ene a khona gore a hetse jalo mo maemong a boraro. PTV Sport ene le gone ka kokwelong gore ne rile go tshwara makgala kgang ele yalo a ga Tinashe ga mmogo jalo le Prinka.
Today I think my opponent and I played pretty well. I think he was giving me quite a challenge. He was going for his shots, he was confident, he didn't give up. And I think towards the end it was like we're equal, we're fighting, but towards the end I came out on top. Like the winner gets some points and it gets to my CAT ranking, it increases it, and I'm trying to reach about top 5 in Africa.
I played very well the second set, but in the first set I should have stayed more focused on some small details, like I should have hit more to his backhand and don't make him come too much to the net. Yeah, I have to be more aggressive, and I have to be more aggressive when I have the chance, and I have to finish the points.
Bella jalo ka ko the boys under 10 re bone jalo Andre Maizero ena ene jalo number 1 me ma has been a thata maina ke batshamiki ba eleng gore ha ba tsomo Botswana a tsa jalo maemo a bobedi maemo a bararo a tsa jalo ke Prince Rudo mme ha lebela ka kwa basetsane Mia Kenosi a tsa jalo number 1 number 2 nna mone wa Mosweu ha number 3 inile Chloe Bottom ha lebela jalo gone metshamiko e ntse tsweletse ka kwa under 12 girls re bone jalo Masa ke Thokile Tsegofatso Mothabani Same Butsani nna bone jalo the top 3 mo lebella jalo boys under 12 le junior Mafumo nne number 1 Theo Sokoko na number 2 number 3 na le Tlotlotladi me girls under 12 Green Rafiwa Kharing Arato Paya le Alani Tiboni nna jalo yone yo top 3 boys under 12 na Lweto Brent Matong Tema Malumo nna jalo Nathan Okaya meka kwa basetsane nna Mutasha Hussein Ranewa Mudisani ga mmogo le Olorato Raboloko ele bone basetsana le basimane ba ileng gore bana ba tsweletse jalo ba tshameka jalo the Botswana Junior Championships. I think for me the nice thing was just seeing the kids, you know, under 14 girls and boys ba kopane le bone ba ileng gore they're going to literally showcase what they have.
I mean, when I look back on this tournament and you think about maybe 3 years ago and you think about the participation of the juniors, it is a completely different crop of young people that we're talking about right now, and the numbers are even larger. And it has a lot to do with the fact that Otlabo Bonabo Denzel Setso, Obonabo Chakanyuka Omutuna, Chelsea Chakanyuka, as well as some of Bon Mark and all these kids who, even like when you think about the fact that they managed to qualify for the next stage of Davis Cup, which is level 3, you know, those kinds of successes, they encourage young people. And then you see the success of other young people like Malak Macheng. That means the numbers are going to to keep growing. And when I looked at even just the schedule, the hella from 9 a.m. There's doubles, there's under, there's lots of numbers, and it's very encouraging to see how well Botswana tennis is doing at developing players in our country.
Right, and talking of Malak, hopefully we're going to have her this week, and Malak Macheng. Milhale Artole Pilerho Komalajalo Kohobama Sika Tennis, and Mebonele Balakotala Botswana Table Tennis Association, Yakalikia Phoenix Assurance, in it, let's say, the usual suspects, but all like a Hudira Bunteja, Katsepiso, Batine, and Akanahore, Afenia Jalo, Motamka, Botano, this season, Marafenia, Salome Matrazi, Cassette, Hotepedi, Mohota, Mehalabella, Kako, Barabaka, Maluka Lane, Akanahoto Lady Sabunte, Afenia Jalo, Moatudi Bakwadi, Amofenia Jalo for one. Mimetamiko in it, let's say Pili, Mihala BTV Spotnelo, Hanekako, Quandre, Longore, Jalo, Batamiki Baba. Ngoba mono ga bo refilo le korele ne a khona gore a fenye jalo khongwana mere bana jalo ba tshamiki ba tshwana bo buitla mongele le Carol David le bone ba khona gore ba fenye jalo mo metshamekong ya bone. Let's catch up with table tennis players ba le gore ne re le ka go metshamekong ya bone over the weekend.
I wouldn't say it was that difficult because I had control of the game. Whatever I wanted to do, whatever I wanted her to do, yes, so I won 4-2, but it wasn't that difficult.
I'd say that I'm happy with my performance, though I didn't train. It was a tough game. I was hoping to win the match, but unfortunately I lost it. 3-3, a deciding set and then win it, but then unfortunately I didn't make it.
Tota gompieno nkare tsone di setenyana tsa ntlha tse ke kgona go di tsere nkare na isa le mo ge game yaka yanong a bele nna ke tshwantse go change ko di final seteng gore kana o lemogile yaka ya la ntlha ka ne ke tsa di setano gore re le nna ke change khomo play yaka no go tsomfo.
I was failing to attack, but my defense was on top notch. He's a decorated player. Once you don't press him by attacking, you are going to lose because he will become so comfortable on his attacks.
Is it the last marathon of the year?
It is not.
It is not. What is left?
It's up north. There's one up north, and I think
there's one in. Is it Malapula one has passed or not?
I don't think.
I know Ramos Leone.
Yeah. This one's
have a couple. Milakale had a lebella jalo kako run gaps by night. Lebelene let's hurry jalo motropo koloha borone kamatato hore bataburi by relay catalans in jang. Okay, so re bone jalo tatenda ndobe ena enemo fenyi wa the 21 kilometers akora gore a fenya jalo the defending champion amofenya kibuya jalo ka Ibel Chibanda amofenya jalo manakonya 1 hour 7 minutes 27 seconds, literally running 21 kilometers in 1 hour. That's the time I take to run my 10 kilometers. Okay, jalo gore ene tatenda na ikgapela jalo madi a kanang jalo ka 12,000 pula mo ha lebella jalo gore ba bangwe ba tsamaile jang o ka itsela gore the women's 21 kilometers re bone jalo mosadi kwana go tswa khosi wala ha tsela Botswana ene mo fenyi mara ga gore ata boga jalo 21 kilometers in 1 hour 21 minutes 2 seconds mo lebella jalo mabelo a mangwe a tshwana jalo bo 10 kilometers gore bone jalo karabo bosele in the men's 10 kilometers ene mo fenyi a tsela mara go ke o lefile ke wagile ga thapelo ga leboe a tsere jalo maemo a boraro me ha o lebile jalo ka go bomme re bone jalo ne o mpofu ena a fenya jalo 10 kilometers a tsela mara go ke Roslyn Mosha ga ba lape moroka a tsa jalo maemo a boraro ya ka bona mo ditshwantshong tsa gago se raso se le sengwe hela gore le rona bosigo ja mathatso we joined the runners in the streets of Cape City.
The race was okay and was well organized, except the water points. We have to skip some water points because they were not fully covered. But the race was okay. I need to improve because I ran 1:06 and my best time is 1:03. So I have to improve. Maybe just because it's my first night race, so the time is so slow. This win means a lot, and it's a first step. I'm going for off season, so I need to train for the next year. I need to go for the world cross country. in Florida, so it's also part of my preparation.
I'm very happy for competing this race, Run Games by Night. This year I came second in a time of 1:06, 20 seconds. Yeah, it's a bit slow rather than last year. I was trying to defend the title, but unfortunately I failed. Last year I was number 1 in a time of 1:05. Today I'm second. I'm very happy. I'd like to say thank you so much to the Almighty who gave me this power to finish. And I want to say thank you so much to the Run Games by Night organizers for organizing this such an event. It's very good for us elite runners. That's how we earn a living. So if they don't organize such a marathon, hey, we can't eat. The course was very fun, was very comfortable. It's a flat course. I can say almost 90% of courses in games is really flat. You know, this weather is cool. It's very fun, and I'm very happy. I was enjoying, running at night. You feel some challenges a little bit, but I can say it was very nice, very sharp.
Re pele re tsena mo go tsa kgwele ya dinaro go komela jalo metshameko ya First Division South ya ka ne tsweletse pele mme motshameko ne re ile ka gone ene ile motshameko wa Stopper sa Prison 11 ba khona go fenya majweng ka nno e lengwe go lefela ele mengwe ya metshameko e leng gore ene e tshamekiwa jalo ele ya week 4 yone ele ya First Division South Stopper sa Prisons ha lebella jalo gore ba ta ba ira ka tselentse ya motho ka re ba simolotse sente o lebella jalo le maemo a bona go bolella jalo gore nya methedio ditaba tsamaela sente ba le mo maemong a bothano mme ha le Stopper sa majweng sone ba leng gore ba mo position 9 go gontsi mo e leng gore ba tshwanetse re ba go dire ha ile gore ga ba batle go boela jalo ko leaking e kota se ba ne ba ya go ikhutsa le gore motshameko o ke lefela mme ya re go boeng kwa ra bona jalo Tebogo mogotsi a no setsa Stopper sa the Wada sa go banela phenyo kgathano le Stopper sa majweng a rutwe jalo mo bakatising.
It was not easy because we are coming from a defeat. We lost 2-0 against the thing last week, so we have to redeem ourselves, especially playing at home. Yeah, first half was a bit tough, but second half, after we made some couple of changes, we find our feet, and it resulted in that winning goal.
The plan was to come and attack this team, because when you sit back, we're playing away. So we want to see how approach Yabone, then Narabona approach Yabone. They were playing a 3-5-2. We managed to utilize those pockets. So now the defenders were leaving those pockets. That's what made us to be more attacking team in the first half. Then we didn't manage to utilize the chance that we created.
What hata Zix?
Hey,
what hata?
Monato one muko first
Monato go first. They take us through other results this weekend.
They are flying high for the second season in a row. Kiba top of the table, joining Young Stars. Metare lebelle gore dinare na khona go itata maga Shooting Stars ka dino tse tharo go ilengwe not 22 Tlokeng United 0 Prisons 11 yone e khona go wina e tshameka jalo le majweng ba khona go ba itaka no elengwe go lefela ene etsewa jalo ke Union Flamengo Santos ba ita jalo tsetseng United joining Young Stars 1 Security System 0 me Holy Ghost yone e tlhala ele gore e biditswe e bitswa yalo ke Taung Young Strikers ba itaka no elengwe go lefela ja ke sa tswa go bua go godimo ga tafole joining Young Stars ba na le 10 points ba tswa go tshameka di game tse 4 ba winetse tharo with 1 draw. Dinare are right behind them also with 10 points. Taung Young Strikers in third. Kotlasekwa Tlokeng United are only registered 1 point. Holy Ghost have only registered 3.
Right, First Division North metshameko bone le bone ne tsweletse pele re bona jalo Stopper sa 11 Angels ba fengwa ke tsa bothe ka no lengwe go lefela mme motshameko wa Stopper sa Mbalakalungu le BR Highlanders ga ba tshameka because BR Highlanders guys ba thalose gore they are broke and it's only match number 4.
Yeah.
And they're broke.
Things are bad.
And you look at First Division North, you have to travel to Francistown, oye Kobo Kasani, oye Latebo Ferry Wanderers, or Latebo Enesia, or Latebo Ndundu, Latesanko, your bushbacks, ko hectic, Mitsikinyanga Tigers, it's a Megamalekale Ferry Wanderers, JJ United, you on Efenwaki Enesia, Stapasami Setsisha, can not pay the Holy Fella Motakasi, or Efenwakin Dundungo, Edito Pazami, Gano Lungo Holy Fella, Hatanata FC in a Tamegamaleka. A 1-1 le sanko yo Bucks. Artso jalo mo go tsa first division ro kumela jalo motshameko le mongwe nne tshameka jalo wa TEME le tshameka mo wa Hello-Bidikgang ya CAF Champions League ne re bana stapa Rick ba ne ba khona gore ba hetele ko pele ba fengwa jalo tota ba khapelwa nte ke stapa sa St Ilo Lupopo ka no e lengwe go lefela mme Pyramids yone ne khona gore ntshetse stapa sa APR ba fenya ka no tse tharo go lefela 5-0 on aggregate. Artso jalo mo go tsa CAF Champions League re go komela jalo metshameko ya Calling Black Label ka South Africa ya ka nne re bona ne tsweletse pele go simolotsa hela Durban City ka Labothano e ne ntshetsa nte Polokwane City ba ba fenya ka notse nnego e leng Orlando Pirates. What a beautiful goal ka Mbokazi ba ne ba fenya jalo Siwelele ka no e leng go lefela. Golden Arrows yone e khona go fenya Sekhukhuni ka tse tharo go e lengwe mme Mamelodi Sundowns le Marumo Gallants di tshameka maleka lefela. Marumo Gallants e fenya 7-6 ka tharo ya di penalty mo tsilama ba ne re bona Benson Kitso Mangolo making his debut ka kwa Richards Bay a simolla motshameko ba ne ba fenya Chipa United ka notse nnego e lengwe. Mr. Len Bosch yone e tshameka maleka lefela le Makhosi. Mr. Lis ba fenya jalo 5-4 ka tharo ya di penalty AmaZulu e ntshetswa nte ke Magesi ka notse tharo go tse pedi. Ene a re moraga motshameko ga dirwa kgwego go re boneng jalo Golden Arrows tsa TS Galaxy Marumo Gallants tsa Stellenbosch Orlando Pirates tsa Mageze. Mr. Basa Richards Bay bone ba tsa jalo Durban City. Let's go to the English Premier League where Slot is making laughing stock, but I'm not. Can I just have a great week? It's my best week. Go to and I will laugh at menu. You won, but you're still at the bottom of Liverpool.
Anyway, week 7 of the Premier League continued this weekend. Took a 3-1 win against Fulham. Leeds United lost 2-1 to Tottenham Hotspurs. Manchester United back to winning ways, taking a 2-0 win against Sunderland. Arsenal keeping it moving, 2-0 win against West Ham. I love that Arsenal are keeping clean sheets and are making it difficult for Liverpool. Kira Chelsea in the game it's a 4 in the but I the penalty the red card Chelsea. 2-1 against Liverpool. Defending champions. Everton 2, Crystal Palace 1. Newcastle taking a 2-0 win against Nottingham Forest, while Wolves and Brighton and Hove Albion shared the spoils at 1-1. Aston Villa 2, Burnley 1, while Manchester City anyway, they took only a 1-0 win against Brentford.
Anyway, let's rush to under 20 World Cup. Ukraine Mutilama Bane Fenya Paraguay can not a Panama. South Korea ka tsepedigo e lengwe Egypt fenya jalo chill 2-1 me motho a ka re madu a ileng gore rabora le bile thata ke dithopa tsa Africa gore boneng jalo Morocco ba khona gore ba hetela jalo ko the round of 16. So did South Africa le yone moraga gore ba fenya USA ka no tsepedigo e lengwe motsila mabane ba khona gore ba hetela jalo ko the round of 16. Nigeria le yone e nnangwe ya tseleng gore di hetetse jalo ko pele jalo eletsa bohelo letsa Spanish La Liga gore boneng jalo Alaves ene e fanya jalo Elche 3-1 Sevilla motsina maabane ba letse ba irile party ka Barcelona ba fanya Barcelona 4-1 Espanyol yone e fengwa ke Real Betis ka no sepedigo e lengwe Real Sociedad ene e fengwa ke Rayo Vallecano ka no e lengwe go lefela Celta Vigo motsina maabane ba tshameka maleka a 1-1 le Atletico Madrid ba ba neng ba tsa jalo red card me ka mathatso Oviedo ene e fengwa ke Levante 2-0 Girona e fanya Valencia 2-1 Athletic Club yone e fanya Mallorca 3-1 Real Madrid ene fanya jalo Villarreal ka notse tharo go ele nngwe setse ke hitile jalo ka tsone gore Barcelona e letse e fentswe 4-1 ele mengwe metshameko ne tshameko jalo over the weekend ele Spanish La Liga ga re la metshameko ka tsela ntseng jalo re kopana tsona khante jana ha re tabara go mala jalo botsogo go le khotela Botswana Netball Association ba ileng gore ba re bana le khudithamaga ya bone ka mahelo beke ya mme gape e bile ba tlhalosa jalo gore ba simolodisa jalo league ya bone re batla go itsore tseo tsothe di a go tsamaya ka tsela e ntseng jang a re ba ka ha re tsoka ha LB ga mmego le Naledi ba go lekolela jalo semo sa Pharakano.
Follow the Dumela Botswana Breakfast Show. Tla itse gore re na le dibeke tse nne re ntse re kopana yalo le ba Metropolitan Life Botswana ba tla kgoneha on the red couch ba tle gore gakolla gore what is the importance of life cover. We've talked estate planning, we've talked covering your business. Gore life cover is not just for you, it's also for you and your business. Today we're jumping into another one. It is the 4th installment of the Metropolitan series, and this morning I am joined by two individuals representing Metropolitan Life Botswana. First, to my left, Me Lisani America, who is the acting regional manager out at Metropolitan. Good morning, Lisani. How are you doing?
Morning.
Very nice to have you in studio. She is not alone, as you can see. Who is a sales manager out at Metropolitan. Re Emang, good morning. How are you?
Morning, Abby.
Absolutely fantastic. Today we're jumping into a very important one. Every time we talk about life cover, a lot of us are thinking about the end, right? We're thinking about we're talking about leaving a legacy for ourselves in terms of our name, but we're also talking about leaving a legacy for our families. Life cover isn't just about helping you when you're not here. There are also benefits for you to enjoy and live these benefits. And this morning, that's exactly what we're talking about. We're jumping into a chat about the benefits that come with life cover. Specifically, their very illustrious product, Muthusi Life Cover, and what you can benefit while you're still alive and well from Muthusi. Lady, gentlemen, thank you once again for joining us. Let's jump straight into it. Risimula Loena Lisani. Jaaka ke sa ke go bua. Batho ba le bantsi barata gone gore ha re bua ka life cover e be ra ka ntse gore ke dio tsa motho ha se tsa tlhokahetse. A ko re tlhatsetse kganye, surely there should be more to it.
Yes, there is. Thank you so much for the question. I'd just like to start by saying, Dumelang the viewer at home, Dumelang Metropolitan family. Life cover is not just about death. There are living benefits to a life cover. Yes. You can get a cashback benefit while you're still alive. Metropolitan gives you 5% cashback every 5 years.
Nice.
Yes. Thank you for joining us and being with us.
And being responsible and leaving a legacy.
Yes.
Right.
Also on top of that, life cover is to give you peace of mind. If you don't be afraid to go and get a mortgage, you don't know what's going to happen to you, whether you're going to become disabled, when you're going to become terminally ill. Life cover, you are able to get those benefits. If I get a mortgage, I'll still be able to pay my mortgage because how? You're going to get a payout from your terminal illness and your disability waivers.
Very nice. So you get terminal benefits, you get disability benefits, and you get cashback every 5 years. Also, like I said, you're not alone. You are joined by Re Wakante Emang. Re Emang, for me, I think another big question that most people will be curious about is the issue of, you know, how Muthusi is unique in those life benefits that it offers.
Yes. Thank you for that,
Right.
Albi. And Lena Hela Letake says Wakasiki medicine Motswana Kohai. Kia leboga thata go borile ha moso go mpino wa letsatsi. But like you say, back to your question, for example, life cover does not only act as a funeral plan.
Right.
Basically, it's not just the money that are being paid when you pass away.
Exactly.
So Muthusi Life Cover, basically, you can have benefits while you are still alive, like me and you. For example, we always have sicknesses, terminal illness. You can get a protection against that while you are still alive. So you can also get a financial boost out of that.
Right.
So.
Very interesting. Something else that I'm sure that a lot of people don't think about is in terms of importance of life cover, in terms of importance of living benefits.
Yes.
Why are they so important to the ordinary Motswana? I mean, listen, it sounds great, but it is every 5 years. Why is it still important for you to make that investment throughout those 5 years and beyond?
It's so you can have peace of mind,
Yeah.
you know, and so you can know that I have secured my children's home. If you have a mortgage, you know, if you have a loan, you know, you've secured if something happens to you, whether you become terminally ill, you're still alive, you need to pay out your medical bills. Whether you become disabled, you're still alive, you still need to maintain your lifestyle and even now take care of yourself when you're disabled. You know, these are added costs, so you can keep living a comfortable life as you were when you were working.
And it's not just about losing your life, it's about the big changes
and also
that could happen.
being able to take care of your family.
Exactly.
This is just, you know, compensating for the uncertainty of life.
Exactly. It is an uncertain one, that thing, life. Quickly, how does this change the way we should be looking at life cover as well? I mean, when you think about life benefits and still being able to enjoy your life and be able to be comfortable and plan for this uncertainty, how does this change the way that we should be looking at life cover?
Thank you for that, LB. It does change a lot. You know, today, life cover, it has been, Muthusi life cover to be specific, it has been made in such a way that it becomes quite affordable to anyone. For example, life cover, they are of people of certain standard in life, maybe Bahumi.
The rest of us,
the rest of us, if you have a funeral plan, then you're good.
Yeah.
But the life, as we see it unveiling these days, so we often encourage people to get a life cover, not just a life cover, but you know what, even after I'm gone, you know, your legacy lives on. Your families are be able to be sustained forever. You know, it's just a walk. Muthusi life cover basically walks with you throughout your entire life. You know, you just need to get a protection so that you rest assured and no worry if God's time comes now, what happens?
What will happen?
Yeah.
It is absolutely important for you to be comfortable and relaxed. You have taken care of everything that is in your power to take care of, and the Lord will do what He does. And we've been talking a lot about Muthusi life cover. I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, what does it offer me? Lisani, let's jump into that. Who is Muthusi and what is this life cover? Why is it a unique offering to the market?
As Raymang has already mentioned, Muthusi life cover is affordable. That is how we're penetrating the market.
Got it.
We have added benefits in our Muthusi life cover. We also have a daily hospital cashback, where we're saying you can either get 500 bula or 1,000 bula back every day that you're admitted in the hospital. You can use this cash, because you know medical aid has a coverage limit where it stops. You can use this cash to now continue paying for your hospital bills. If you're a business owner, you know that you have that surplus income that you can use to cover your other expenses outside.
Nice. Very, very nice. And then there's also what we talked about a couple of weeks ago, which is the key man, which covers your business, right? Very, very nice. And if someone is watching and they want to get Muthusi life cover today, what are the steps they're supposed to take in order to reach that? Specifically, okay, in terms of documentation, in terms of where do I go, who do I speak to?
Yes, thank you very much, Albi. Yeah, we've got branch visibilities across our entire country. We've got our branch in the Fields Mall.
Right.
We've got branch Kupalape, Francistown, Maum. And also we have got our own financial advisors who are well equipped, readily waiting to assist. Botswana Kokhai. All we need is like our motuaba source of income, how we just need your bank statement just so we can be able to tell right.
And of course identity.
And of course your identity card, very important, because it breaks the ice. We just need to know who we are talking to. And of course you can call our line 362-4400. We are there on Facebook, we are there on LinkedIn. So let's talk.
they are busy engaging you o le Motswana go gakolla ka botlhokwa ba go itshireletsa le go sireletsa botshelo ba gago le dithoto tsa gago for the future. It is Mothusi Life Cover, and it is brought to you by Metropolitan Life Botswana. And every single week for the next couple of weeks, we will be sitting down with them on the red couch, got this product, and of course some of the benefits. Today we were jumping into living benefits and the importance of living benefits, and of course what kinds of living benefits you can receive from cashback every 5 years. You have taken a responsible step in your life and you have committed to yourself and to your family or your business that, listen, and you have done so for 5 years consistently. So here's some cashback that you can invest further, that you can do or make go even further in leaving your legacy. They've also got a disability benefit as well as a terminal illness benefit. Maybe you get injured at work, maybe you're in a car accident that leaves you disabled. This cover is still taking care of you, and it doesn't necessarily say, oh, you haven't lost your life so we can't help you. Nope. Mothusi has got your back. Something else that I'm very curious about, Lisani, is when it comes to Mothusi, you've talked about affordability. Both of you need to explain to me when you mean when you say affordability.
Thank you for that, Elba.
Got it.
Yes, affordability, simply what you're saying is this product has been made affordable to just an ordinary Motswana.
Right.
Life cover ke batho ba ba humileng ba ba na le madi. Motswana ko ga yo ene gore o na le letseno. O na le bokgoni ja gore o ka nna le yone because ha re bate gore re ba khapele go thoko. Kana ke bona batho ba ene gore ka mosora a gala ha tshele bone. We want families le bonela gore kana botshelo ba motho ke botagawane, if I may put it that way. Ke so say we just need to make sure that your life becomes so meaningful.
Yeah.
So that tomorrow when you are no longer there, your legacy lives on.
Right.
You know, you create your own wealth, generational wealth. Yeah.
Everybody deserves dignity, and Metropolitan Life Botswana is making it so that mongwe le mongwe o tla kgona go thusiwa in this way. In quickly 30 seconds, your final words before I let you go.
It's never too late to get covered. Please get covered now.
Yep.
Talk to us.
Talk to Metropolitan Life Botswana. Lisani, Oakanse, thank you so much for both joining me this morning. We look forward to all the calls that are coming through. Life cover ya Mothusi ke simula hakai di premium ke di hakai go iragalang. Remember, you can reach them at 362-4400 or follow them on their Facebook page. It is simply Metropolitan Life Botswana, and you can learn a lot about their products, their services, and of course how you can jump on board. That's it from us. It is the first conversation of your morning, and now it is time for us to jump into the first news bulletin of the morning. Reginald and Khomotseho are on standby. Good morning.
Jalo ka thamalla mo go tsa metshameko ke go tlhaloseditse gore ha re boa re tabaro komela jalo go ba le kgotla la Botswana Netball Association ba ileng gore mo bekeng ye hitileng bana ba bitse jalo phutego ya bobega dikgang le gore ba mo dinakong ka tse pedi tse tharo tse ileng gore bana le maikello a go di dira mme gape mahelo biki a ka tshwanelo ne dio di tsamaile sente nka ba nile jalo le khudithamaga ya bone ileng gore unfortunately ga ya ka ya nna teng gore wa sa nna teng ke na jalo le Rajan Pitso le jalo mo anamisa maho wa le khotla Botswana Netball Association go ta gore ba pele ka tsele gore ba re di tshwaretse re le barating le barutwetsi ba motshamekone wa netball. Regime dumeng khonne le kae
ne ke go me SMS ke me di selo ba le ba bogedi go gae
right so gongwe hela a re simolle just to recap our national team. They were in action 2 weeks back, I think ka go jwaneng gore go tsamaile ka tselentse jang the series against Eswatini.
Ya ka ga go gore ne rena le ka go jwaneng 2 weeks back me ne re tsamaka le hatsala ya Eswatini ne tse borre le bomme me ne re ka go bomme re ra fenya metshameko ya rona yotlhe ka bobedi me ya re ka go borre na ra ra fengwa mo metshamekong yotlhe ka bobedi mme kana ga gola lefatshe la Eswatini la borrela ne le ile ko makgaola kgaine le sameka lefatshe la South Africa mo dikgasong tse di hitileng tsa Africa Cup so it's ranked number 2 mo Africa so ina le team hela e strong so me hela aga go bola di games tsa rona di tsamaile hela sentle
re ka re itemogetseng I know you're not the coach but you know from somebody who understands the game of netball what is it that you can actually take from the series against Eswatini and say you know what I think we have learned 1 2 3
gone hela ka o itse gore kana rena le we have newly appointed coaches so tota ne re ba lebelele di dingwe mo ba batshameking ba rona me ala feedback that I got from the coaches ke gore hela ba khonne gore ba bone di dingwe tse le gore ha ba tswa ha ba di bankanya me hala la ka lebela le kone game ya bo mme hala ba tshameka le wa bona gore bo mme ba improve le thata especially their strength o bona gore bana le strength agility ya bona wa bona gore ke batho ala ba ya go gongwe le bone bo re hela santse ntse ra ga team ya bo re hela e le gore kana ne tsene tse dikganye so I think it's antla ke last time a re hostile kana ka bo ya bo malebo me hela ne team ya telo ne etla hela sentle
right so ne biditse phutego ya bobega dikgamo biking e hitileng gongwe hela ta ke go nele wa le Motswana tse le gore le re di ba pele re le bobega dikgang go nile jalo puisano e leng gore kana the address ka moetele dipele wa le gotela Botswana Netball Association go nile jalo le bo sponsor partnership acknowledgement gongwe hela ba Motswana pele gore phutego sente ne le re begelang
ya ka o tsena gore kana bontsi ba komiti ya rona re tsene ka di 31 tsa mme kana re tsena ka di 30 tsa mme I think se rena le bo 3 months tota tautuna na ile go le kutisa babega dikgang ile go ritsa setšhaba ile go disa bareki ba bolotloa gore tota go tsamaya yang go bolotloa mme hela le vice president ka go itse gore na le mo re bitsa re calendar of events le ena ile go ba le kudisela gore go tsamaya di events tsa rona tle be di tsamaya jang mme kana ka go itse gore na ra appointa bo coach ba rona mo team ya borrela a bomme le ona gape a lone re ile go introduce coach wa rona wa bomme
a lebelle tse leng gore di teng sengwe sa so se leng gore sentse se tshwenya thata I even had a chat with the coaches I mean at national team level we can't be having trunks and the recent national team e leng gore e teng ne re kile ra bona le tshwara di trail gore batshameki ba khone go ta go ipanagatsa kgang kholo ile gore rightly so you did well by doing trials because we don't have a running league eleng gore re ka re bokatisi bo bona batshameki teng a rute jalo ka khanye ya league gore re ta bona league simolla leng go iragala ka tselentseng jang gore re khone go bona lo netball beke le gore there is action ka go bona courts
ya ka o itse gore kana tota hela mo komiti ya rona e tseneng ke ya le gore ya therisano so re ntse re la ka gore di senya le di zone tsa rona ka zone tsa rona kana re le zone ya north le zone ya south tota re la ka go tla ka metlhalele gore ngwe re ka tla ka lekelo re ka taele selebego se rileng me ya ka gompieno ana re tsantse re I think league ya rona tsentse re ne le launch ka yone kgwedi ya October mme league ya rona ne re batla gore re modify ile e tla ile ka metlhale engwe e leng gore e ka re isa go
gongwe ha re lebella maikello magolo a lona ha re lebile October yes re mo go October ke gore league ha e simolla lena le maikello a gore simolleleng ye go rana ka tsele ntseng jang and also you know the importance of having this league and the benefits of our national team
sona ka o itse kana weekend kana ha o simolla league ga re bo ba ka ntse mona ba ba tsamaisang tsone league yone so weekend te be latela tle ba rena le workshop gone mo South Theme workshop ana tle be re biditse bo managera workshop ana tle be re biditse technical officials ba bana mo tafole workshop ana tle be re biditse bo match officials ba le gore ba tsamaisa metshameko ba gantse nna re ba tlhokile ka go bitsa re bo refuri so ba re nna le ba re ba bitsang le re di coach ba le ba tle ba simola go coach jaaka o itse gore kana ra appointa coach ya rona e tswang go South Africa tota se re teng go gore le ene a re ha tswa ka kwana a hetsa a ba tlogetse dio dingwe mo le gore mo bakatisi ba rona a tlhaboletse bakatisi ba rona ba le gore ba tshameke netball le gore ke a se gompieno so tota hala ne re ba kanya re santse re ira mathagola tela gore di ke ya rona e simologa sengwe se sa rona be se bo sisiane
ne le tshwanetse re nka bo le nnile le khudithamaga ya lona this weekend ka ko north unfortunately ga ya nna teng a ko rute gore mabaka magolo a sa kgontshang khudithamaga e go nna teng kae
tota hela ka o itse gore malabakana ha re kopane ka di 31 tsa mme ha re le ka go phalape so go ne maloko ana re kopa gore kana gona le dilo dingwe tse le go di saletse go morago mme na ba re ga netana gore assignment ya gore re go leka gore di ba lebe re ebe re di tsaya go bone kana tota maloko go dithamaga ke yone sentse re etse tshotso tsa bohelo mme na re hetsa re sena re banka ye dilo tseo na rena ra na le mo re butsa re reng phutego ya hapegileng EOGM e le gore ne se re bitse gore e ka bitswa ka methale meraro e ka bitswa ha le gore association go na le sengwe se le gore tshotse gore e se share le yone maloko a yone e ka bitswa ke di-team di ira 45% kapa kana gona le sengwe se le gore se emergency mme na ra di tsone di setlana tsone tseo ra e bitsa ka go phalape mme e ne ska ya tsamaya sente ka gore kana gore phutego e nne teng tshwanetse gore maloko a le sephato sa boraro mo botlhanong bo ba le teng mme re na ra ska ra mita sone sephato sone seo mme kana ka go ntse ha le gore ha ya ka ya nna molao motheo wa re leta gore mo malatsing a le 30 e ba re ka bitsa yone gape ene phutego gape yone e hapegileng eo so ya no se se leng teng gore tshwanetse re boele go malokong kana re ba bolela kana mme re tsamene me ha ra go ka go kgonega re ba happy go bera mme kana molao motheo ya no wa ra re ka tsa kgato e tshwana le gape
lona le bereka ka bo special general meeting hela go kwa gone me ha le nna le emella le boeteledipele ke a dumela gore there is that communication ya gore dithopa tse di le confirmetseng gore di tata. They just confirmed and didn't pitch, or what was the situation? How do you guys communicate? I'll say your stakeholders because they are your stakeholders. How do you guys communicate? We are 100% sure 30% of 50 will be here.
Kana ya ka o itse gore na re le executive committee. Tota ha re deal directly le di team. So gona le bo chairperson ba di team ba le bona ba tsentse re ba re he dipego sentle gore go iregalang e be re na le vice president events le ena gape ke ena re lo banganya gape le di team mme hela ke tsa ke re go nagana le phosego le gore e diragetse mme ke tsa ke re phosego ya ka nna teng kana ha go ntsana ra re tota ra tshwana gore di supe ope ka monwana so ntse re bona gore phosego re ka e bankanya ka tselentseng ja
no tlhalosa gore go na le dingwe tse nneng ba le di rumile gore le go di leba le ba haletsana ya no kganne le gore le go di ba rolela dingwe tsa dintlha tseo ke di hitse leng gore ne le ile go di athata
tota hela kwa lebella kana re na le mola motheo wa rona mo e leng constitution so ne re file hela gore le bona ba file hela gore ba lebeletse gore mola motheo wa rona kana go ona le bakanyana ntse o dirisitswe mme kana ona le bakanyana ntse o dirisitswe o setse o tlulwe ke ga o samala dipaka tsa segompieno so ne le gore re go leba e be re o bona gore mme re ka o dirang gore o tsamaya dipaka tsa segompieno mme ne se tsano kana mme ha re sana re gape re o leba so ntse re ba gape re o busetse gape gone go malokong ka re bona ba tsang ditshotse gore mme re go ka re ne se tsoro ba romeletse gore ba o bone e re ha ba re akwa be setse ba o bone
ne le one hela khanya constitution
khanya ngwe ne sala tsokomela go ne le khanya di finances le tsone ne setse le gore re go di leba re di lebe e re ha re di isa go bone le bone e be setsano di hedile le tsona ba te ba re di discuss re le mmogo
a ke se tsa ra mo gore je gore ne le tshwanetse mo go lona re je le ba bona gore le tshwanetse re le ne le go dithamaga ga ya nna teng ga la former quorum as executive committee gore how does this make you guys feel?
Tota hela even though la go sa tsamaya sente mme kana ke rona ba le gore ke rona ba tshegetsi so go re ala re boela go malokong re le ke go ba le mosa gore kana mme botlhoko ba gore ha re bitse khurithamaga ba tle go tlhokwela thata mo so e bile kana no ha re akwa re be re dirisa one madi lo tsone di team kana le tsone le go tlase go ba dirisa lone le tsone le go tlase le tota hala se se leng teng hala gore re ise thuto go bona re ba le mo tshedi o tsena gore me kana di o tsena tota gape le tsone di re busetsa go morago kana tota ha wa go kopa go mothong di o dingwe tsa ga go di saletse go morago le tsone tota le hala di sponsor hela ga ke ba go thusa ba ha le go di tsa go sentse di saletse go morago so tota hala ke go kgotlatsa maloko ya la gore tota medio tse di tshwanetse ala re di tse tota serious.
And talking about sponsors, literally when you talk sport mobile, we don't have money, we are pleading to the sponsors, but they are not coming forth. We're not getting the help that we really want to get. How is everything? Are you knocking? Are the doors opening, or is it still tough to open those doors?
Tota kanya di sponsora e bokete mo especially kana tota rena ha re tsana kana ha le tsana le ikhala go ngwana le di sponsor tsene di le go gongwe le kanya go di runywa go motlhofo but ha le tsena le tlhala go santse go sena di sponsor go go ketenyana
go le empty
go le empty mme hela tota se gore re eme hela tota ha re roba le bosigo le motshega ra ka o itse gore gompieno ana totana ya ka o bana hela team ya rona maletsi ya gompieno ha re go tsana mo campaign ha rena bothata ja go tsana mo campaign ka gore na ra go ba de Botswana mme ba de Botswana bana ba re retsa ya ka gompieno ana team ya rona kana campaign la go joining mme ya campaign la go joining yana e be le one ka thuso ya de Botswana so aka malo ba ha re le gone go di game tsone tsa test series sele ke tsa ke go gakologola gore ne gona le bo re bitsa re play of the match bana ba tsa mo bo 1000 bo bone bo 1.5 so nna le di mining services ke yone ne ntse madi a neng a sponsora bona gape ya ka gakolola di campaigns tsa rona tsa ka re ntse re ntse ala for hydration re ntse re thuswa ke ba FSG so go spetsa ala gore mme gone tota mme gore re ntse re mo santse re mo dipuisanyo le bangwe ba le gore ke tsa ke re ngwe e tare mona ko ngwe e khutshwane gongwe re bo re gape re lebitse gape re mme kana re bone bonyenyane kibo
e bile na go batile okay I'm just saying gore ba te ba sponsor league bone ba le bua le bone ba we re hale re biletsa the league launch be le re biletsa le gore ena le ba rutwetse. And talking about our national team, what's in store for us for the rest of the year?
Ya ka o lebeletse kana ka December re le ba re ile go di kgaisong tsa Africa Cup so me kana rena le lebaka o itse gore kana ngwaga e hitile na ra ska ra go tsena kgantse tsa Africa Cup bose la sala hona la lebakanya le sa tseme mo competition tsone tse di international letse so re santse re le mo dipuisanyong le gore go ngware ka tabogela go le hatseng la Zimbabwe ka kwa a le gore ngware ka bona letseno ra go tsema go Zimbabwe mme go ne e setseng ke le confirmed ke itse gore tshwanetse re game ya teng tshwanetse re ne teng go le hatsela Malawi tshwanetse re be le tla ka kwano gape re tla go tsema yone test series engwe gape so that ha ra go ka December ra go Africa Cup e be tota di team tsa rona re di bakantse tota re na le ipakanyo hele mashetlele gore nyame ano le tsa re gompieno ano ha rena gore na re back to the drawing board le bana re itse gore ano etse podium finish
e bile ga kologela tsa bohelo ka ko Namibia ga ra ka ra tsamaya re le Botswana, so we better make our comeback ka ko Zimbabwe. When you look at netball, you know, countries are playing test series. You look at South Africa, by the way, they are way above us. They were in New Zealand. Now they have started another series against Australia. So we also need our players in action, and you know, so seleng gore sa itumedisa ke go bana jalo gore at least our national team ya tsana mo campaign ena le metshameko e leng gore ya etshameka Regi ha nna le wena re kgaoganang kgone ma go ka go a bohelwa ya go ba ratile ba rotwetse ba netball ba taba ra reng
tota hela mo go me a bohelo go gore tota re le ma netball ra tlhokana ga ra tshwana gore nako go be re nna re bua go te ke be le netball be le netball so tota hela re busetse netball hela go ne re itse teng hela ena le serodumo se lente re nna re teng dikgoro tsa rona di butse so re democratic go re hela mo gore ha re buse ka sero party so ga gona le sengwe se le gore ba fila gore go ngwa re stametse sente a ba tegela go rona re nne ha batse re buisanye re ise netball pele
Regi ke go lebogileng kgonne ba re tanna ntse re le lekola gore go tsamaya ka tsela e ntseng jang go ka bona mme hela motho a ka re masego le mathogonolo ke yao hopefully that the next meeting ba ta kgona go ta ka dipalo tse leng gore di a bona la ke go lebogila ukwa
nyame ma netball ke a ba tshepa ke a ba itse e tla re meeting o tang ba ta tla ka dipalo tse di
le tata le ipankantse ke ne ke buisana jalo le re Jan Pitso e le mo anemisa mahoko ka go le khotela Botswana Netball Association re ne re bua tse pedi tse tharo tse gore di ntse di ragala jalo ka go bona so se leng gore tshwanetse re o se itse ha le moratile moratitse netball ke gona gore Malawi very soon e tabo eta ka kwano go ta go tshameka jalo the test series le rona pele re le ba jalo ka ko Zimbabwe ra go tsanela jalo tsone dikgetseno e le tsa continent ya Africa tse leng gore la bohelo di tshwere di ne di le ka ko Namibia mme ka go thoka le se go rona ka nako eo ga ra ka ra isa stopper sa rona gone ka ko mo mosupologong ono re kgagane ka tselentseng jalo mo go tsa metshameko re tsoga re di leba gape mo la ka moso ke bua Karabo Miss K Bosena until tomorrow.
As you know, every single week we discover Botswana on your behalf, bringing you some of the most beautiful and breathtaking spaces that Botswana has to offer. This week at BONGWE Gardens, where we are taking a look at one of the most beautiful discoveries that even I have come across. Situated in Manyana between two beautiful hills, BONGWE Gardens is a hub for flora. If you love trees and you love to connect with nature, this is your opportunity to do so. You can do so onale your friends, your family. Of course, you can come out with your colleagues. This one is one to remember. We're going to discover Botswana and discover BONGWE Gardens. BONGWE Garden is filled with colorful flowers swaying gently in the breeze, showcasing their vibrant colors, painting the landscape with hues of pink, purple, white, red, and yellow. But behind the beauty lies dedication and care, watering, pruning, cultivating, and grass cutting, ensuring they receive the nourishment they need to thrive. There are a lot of activities that you can take part in. You can enjoy the wonderful pool and relax poolside while enjoying a drink or watching the kids. You can go into the hills and enjoy a bushwalk, or you can come in for a wellness retreat with you and your team. A wonderful picnic under the trees and the shades of Botswana's wonderful skies is an option for you. And I encourage you to discover Botswana and discover BONGWE Gardens. Whether your taste for adventure includes a bushwalk, a dip in the pool, or a chilled picnic, this place is perfect for you and your family to enjoy the beauty of Botswana. I encourage you to come and enjoy BONGWE Gardens right here, Manyana. From Discover Botswana with love.
The breakfast show. As we get into the second conversation of this morning, we want to take this moment to say we are motivating you. This is you right now. This is a conversation that I need you to listen to. You know, your heart, an open mind. We're talking about reclaiming yourself. Most of the time we find ourselves in roles and responsibilities that require us to be part of society, but we often find ourselves also getting lost in those roles and making the roles and responsibilities our identity. Now that is not a good thing, and we're here to find a little bit more about how to navigate that space once you find yourself in it. Motivational speaker Mebo Nolo Molebati is here to let us know a little bit about there's more to me than the jobs I have. There's more to me than the responsibilities that I hold. Bonola, how are you this morning?
I'm good, I'm good.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I know it's not easy to wake up on a Monday morning very early. You can change your life. I always say sometimes hearing somebody speak about something can really do best for who you are in that moment. Reclaiming you, right? I work this job, I am a mother, but now all those roles now take the identity that because I'm in that role. What does it mean in a role or reclaiming yourself? Because that's a topic today. How do we find ourselves in these situations?
Okay. We wear so many hats. We are people in the society. And who are you, Lala?
Very hard question to answer.
Who are you? What makes you happy? Oh, ke motsadi ke na le bana ba lekana wa bona ha o mpolelle the inner you, the core gore Lala ke mang beyond those roles, beyond those responsibilities go to Rome. So we get to find ourselves, lose our identity because of that. We get to forget ourselves. I mean, o tsana go shopong o le Lala gona le gore o ithekele sengwe ditiro tsa me ko botshelong yo kana ke breadwinner ha ke ithekela mosesenyana ke a go palwa ke go rekela motsadi wa me this wa bona gore wa itebala o lebala who you are.
You know, as you're speaking, I've just realized that even in society, how do are we also pushing that agenda that somebody is the roles they are in society? Then push the agenda have individualism.
Yes.
Be who you are. Hi Bonolo, how are you? What do you do? That's the first question I usually go to. Do you think now, because we've worn those hats for so long, that even in society
Yes, re lemogana yalo. Gompieno ha ke tsena mo motseng batho ba go ntebella ke le motho ko ke berekang teng ba go ntebella ke le motho o ntseng yalo ba go gape ba mpha that gore oh motho ke mo parliament ke mo councillor ke mo ithaopi ha bana go ntsa as an individual ba le bala gore ke motho le nna beyond those roles, beyond the responsibilities that I have. And go ga teng go ira gore lo ena o le Lala o itebale o lebale gore o mang and o bo tshela ka tsone dio tseo. Mind you, these things are temporal.
Yeah,
that temporal. Come so sa tlholo only that person in the society o dira something else. How sa tlholo that professional o dira something else. How sa tlholo le motsadi bana ba go ba tsamaile ba nna go ba nyetswe ba ile dikolong o setse o le one wa bona. And who are you?
Ditlamorago tsa teng ke eng yaanong ha re setse re gore botshelo ba rona re tshela our identity is attached to something. What is like the worst case scenario that you'll find yourself in because you've attached yourself to a role or responsibility?
Yeah, you lose your identity, right? Le peace, how near that peace, inner peace. Ya gago hela gore oh I mean an individual ka ikgotsohatsa before ke ikgotsohatsa Lala, before ke ka khotsohatsa ngwana ke, before ka khotsohatsa the next person ke ikgotsohatsa pele. Your mental health lo ne mo teng ya affectega, so you need to focus on yourself before focusing on the other person. How kwa rata motho o mongwe o ise o ithatelala. So love yourself, take care of yourself, remind yourself gore ke mang. What is it that makes me happy? What is it that makes me tick? What is it that makes me wake up in the morning? Is the thoughts tse leng gore di atla? Is it go bulega tlhaloganyo phakela wa tshwara? So tsone dilo tseo, do they make me happy? What is it that gives me that inner peace besides the roles, the responsibilities that I have as an individual?
I'm thinking, I'm waking up, I'm asking myself all those questions. I'm going into the world and I'm going to practice them. Then I start feeling sense of guilt. All right. How do I navigate such negative feelings that come with choosing yourself? Because there's a level of selfishness, and the minute we put the word selfish, we think negative. But selfish can mean a positive thing because you are creating a boundary for yourself, right? Let's get into that. What are some of the feelings choosing yourself are very heavy on us? How do we navigate those?
I always say no, oposo, and you need to set boundaries. Go set the boundaries doesn't mean weak. You are not weak. How weak? You know what you want. You know so say no. And say no at times yes it's going to fulfill you. You are going to be happy, and how this was worth it.
So no may be difficult now, but later you will come back to your
yeah. So learn to say no. Every month allowance I'm your little sister. This month sort yourself out, and I'm not going to feel guilty about it because I'm doing it for me, and it's going to satisfy me, it's going to make me happy.
And you know, reclaiming you starts with saying no, setting boundaries, and you know, all those feelings, they will come, right? But you need to learn to navigate it. But how do I start? I've lost myself, right? We need to go to a point where there's a realization of what I've been saying is too much. I've lost everything that identifies, that I identify myself as. What are some of the signs that you've lost yourself?
Okay, the first one, as I already mentioned, is how what is it that makes me feel happy? What is it that gives me peace? What is it that helps me sleep at night? Something that makes you smile. What is it that makes me tick? What is it that makes me really, really happy? Those those questions. Yes, I know who I am. If I can ask you, what makes you happy?
Do you want answers? Like there's a list. There's a list of things. There's traveling, there's money. You know, I think money is always a very big part of it. But obviously we don't want to make them tangible things because like we're saying, it's roles, it's responsibilities. But how and then you find yourself in a bit of a loop, right? How do we break it? How do we say, you know what, let me now find other things that can make me happy?
Okay, for myself, what makes me really happy is just sharing my stories, my life challenges, the stories of my life, and how I see transform I'm not a therapist, but a lot of people come to me for advices. A lot of people talk to me, and oh, I talked sense into this person. It really makes me happy. I feel like, okay, I changed someone's life by just talking to them.
So it doesn't have to be something that costs money or something that you have.
Yes, it should be something that really fulfills you as an individual.
And what if it's like 10, 15, 20 years that you've been in this role? Let's say a marriage that you've attached yourself and for such a long time that eventually when that falls off, you don't know where to start. What are some of the daily things you can do in your daily life? This is where I start. Eventually I'll look back and see where it did make a difference.
Like I said, find the inner you, the core person, to find something that fulfills you. if it means you starting an organization ya go tlhokomela bagodi, ya go tlhokomela bana, ya go tlhokomela, or just foster batho ba GBV, do that. As long as it fulfills the inner you, it makes you happy. You start small.
And I think I love the fact that earlier on, your grandma or because she's part of the community.
Yes,
like all of these things that help her grow. So at any age, or is there an age where you can say,
no, there's no age. My grandmother is 80 years old. She's a volunteer. I've encouraged her to volunteer. And mind you, like we are saying, she needs to find something to do that fulfills her. That is why I collect the society. She's volunteering to clean to clean and that really fulfills her. You should see her smile when she's talking about that.
Yes, find something that makes you smile. But unfortunately, we don't have time right now. But I'm sure there's somebody that feels stuck somewhere. And this message that I want you to give out, because sometimes we may not directly speak to people, but we can speak to people that can or recognize some of those people around them. It never starts. Number one, there's age. You think time has passed. Time is never done. Right? Your time is always there as long as you are there.
Yes.
Right? What do you have to say that people can use these words to motivate each other?
Start small. Make yourself happy first before and don't lose yourself in relationships. Don't forget who you are beyond and you have to start. So don't forget yourself. And also your mental health matters mostly. So you
Appa always say you can't fill somebody's cup from an empty cup, right? So you need to make yourself so happy that everybody around you, it will naturally fall out.
Yes.
Right? This is the Motivational Monday. We're trying to help you find your identity and make sure that it is the center of your life. Is who you are. Bonolo, thank you so much for joining us. I wish I could have you every Monday here. You motivate me so well. And if anybody wants to, on social media, what are your handles?
On Facebook, it's Bonolo Molebati. I'm there on Facebook, I'm there on LinkedIn and TikTok. Yes.
And she'll be here to let you know that you have the ability to reclaim yourself. You have the ability to become who you want because you are very important, and thank you for joining us for this conversation. TV, the breakfast show. Thank you so much to Bonolo Molebati, as she was, you know what, encouraging us that amongst everything that we do in the world, the one person that matters the most is you. Sometimes it's selfish, sometimes it's saying no, sometimes it's saying it's setting boundaries, and you're gonna feel those feelings. You need to go through them to know that in the end, what's important is, are you happy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I making myself happy? Are these decisions making me happy? What a motivational conversation. Reminding to put yourself first. You are a priority, and that is okay. I know that culturally, making yourself a priority is not always a good thing, especially in a community-based country like Botswana. But it's okay to choose yourself, not once in a while,
all
a
the
lot
time.
Of the time. Anyway, thank you also to Metropolitan Life Botswana. The Mutusi Life Cover is available to you, and it doesn't just cover you in case of your passing and helping your family with everything that they need beyond your life, but it also can benefit you while you still live. They have disability, they have long-term illness cover, and they even have cashback rewards every 5 years. Your premiums can be slashed if you are a loyal customer, and they have so much more to offer you. All you need to do is follow their Facebook, Metropolitan Life, and get in touch with them and find out how can Muthusi cover or Muthusi's policy be useful for you. And that's how we wrap up Dumela Botswana, the breakfast show.
I'm so excited. I feel like as we get into the end of the year, we're still with the same momentum from the beginning of the year. We're still motivating you. We're still trying to say from the body to the mind to the soul to everything to the pocket.
To the pocket, we have got you. Dumela Botswana is wrapping